Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're going to be prepping for our family Thanksgiving. We usually have our celebration a few days ahead so that some of the family that has other gatherings can get together with their other extended family on Thanksgiving. So follow along as some of the family comes to help prep. We always have a fun time when we get together, and it's going to get crazy around here. So come on, follow along. Nice job, Bethy. Grazing season.
It's officially grazing season. Oh.
Grazing season. Whoopsies.
You like those ones, don't you?
Do it again.
Hey, you hold it. Oh, wait.
Hello.
Here, I can hold it.
Look, right? Oopsie. That's a knife. That's a knife. Whoopsie. She's got a whoopsie. This is kind of fun. Alright.
1 second. There's a hair.
Whoopsie.
Look at
Whoopsie.
some hairy carrot. Am I gonna eat those too?
Because I picked up the hair with it, so
Oh, right.
probably half an hour.